A very good morning, dear children. I am Ratna Chatterjee from Study Hall Educational Foundation, and today we are going to start with NIOS Board English grammar portion, a very important portion in your question paper. It is for sure to come and it consists 6 marks in your question paper. Alright, so here we start determiners. Now children, what are determiners? Determiners are the words which give some information about the noun. Okay, it introduces the noun. Words which introduce a noun, whether it is singular or plural, whether it is countable or uncountable, words which we use to introduce, to give some information, to convey an information about the noun are called determiners. A determiner is a word placed in front of a noun. This is something very important. You must keep in mind that these words will always come in front of a noun. To specify quantity, like one dog, many dogs. Okay, or to clarify what the noun refers to. Okay, to whom the noun belongs to or whatever it refers, it will tell you. Okay, like my dog, that dog, the dog. Okay, all these words, my, at, that and the, here, one, many, they all are working as determiners here. They are giving information about the noun. Alright. Now children, let's move further. The types of determiners always depends upon the noun we are referring to. Okay, if it is a singular noun, then a determiner is a must. It must have a determiner. Now, if it is plural or if it is uncountable noun, in these two cases, the determiner is optional. If you wish, you may add a determiner. A sentence may have a determiner. Okay, in front of the plural noun or the uncountable noun, but it may also not have any. Now, something very important to be taken care of here is the first thing, the determiner always comes before the noun. Okay. Now, the second is it also comes before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. For example, if we write the big cat, here the determiner is the. Alright, big is the word which is describing a cat. Okay, but before that, before the describing word, the adjective or before the noun, there is the. And the here, this article is acting as a determiner in this sentence. So children, there are certain types of determiners. Actually, in English language or English grammar, you may say there are 8 types of determiners. Okay, and let us study them one by one. And here you will get to know that what words which we use to determine a certain determiner or to determine a noun. Now, if the first is article. Okay, if it is a definite article, then the determiner will be the. Definite article, determiner will be the. Indefinite article, the determiner will be a or an. For demonstratives, we use these words. This, that, these, those. These words we use as a determiner when it is demonstrative. Then for pronouns and possessives, we use my, your, his, her, its, are, their. Okay. Now coming forward, if they are quantifiers, then a few, which tells you the quantity, a little, much, many, a lot of, most, some, any, enough. Okay. Now let's move further. If they are numbers, 1, 10, 30 or there can be any number. Okay. Then comes distributives. Distributives all, both, half, either, neither, each, every. These words we use as determiners when we describe the distributives. Then the difference words, when there are difference words we have to use as determiners, we will use other, another. Predeterminers, such, what, rather and quite. So here is a complete list of determiners under different headings as the types of determiners which you will use to solve the problems given in your question paper or for your practice. So now children, as you have seen that I have given a set of questions, a set of 10 sentences where you have to write the correct determiners choosing from the given in the bracket. Now here for the first one it is any. Okay children, for the first one it's any. For the second one it's much. Third, many. Fourth, again many. Fifth, much. Sixth and seventh also much. Eighth, a few. 9, a little, and 10 again much. Okay children, now I think that you have understood the determiners well. Please go through them properly, take proper practice of determiners. They are very important. Again I am mentioning it, and all the best for your board exams. Thank you.